So feeling a little fancy today, and I want to show you how easy it is to get fancy in your kitchen. I want to thank the folks at Ocean Delight once again for making this one possible. And when you go, the array of Ocean Delight seafood you can trust is amazing. Sometimes you may see these lobster tails from Ocean Delight, and you may think, I can't do that. What am I going to do with that? You probably need a chef to come and create these wonderful lobster tails. But it's so simple, so easy, and if you're a lover of lobster like me, you find simple ways to create big, bold flavors and wonderful recipes. This Ocean Delight Lobster Tail, you can do so many things with it, but this is so simple that you can just get a knife or scissors and open up the lobster for some flavor. So let me show you how easy this is. Just find a nice little middle sweet spot. Crack it down the middle. Once you crack that down the middle, you can then slice him down the middle just to the base of the tail. And you open him up like that. So when you open it up like that, it's all that exposed, that lobster meat exposed. I'm going to show you what I am going to do. I'm going to create a curry butter that I'll slather in the oven. Very simple. So lobster waiting, and I'm going to start doing my butter. So simple butter, I would say a couple ounces of good butter and curry powder. I have some shadow benny, some jeera, favorite all-purpose seasoning, nice heavy sprinkle of your favorite all-purpose seasoning, and I want to get some garlic in there as well. If you're chopping, make sure you finely chop, but this guy allows me to squeeze, press, and finely mince. Important, your butter should be nice and soft, so you bring it to room temperature. Once you start mashing, you start smelling all that wonderful curry flavor. Curry butter is a thing. Curry butter is a thing. I think we just kind of encountered it very, very accidentally. And it adds so much flavor, especially to seafood. And just like that, you have curried butter. You can actually leave this in the fridge. It can remain, and you can kind of slather it on anything you so wish to do. We're working with some wonderful lobsters today from Ocean Delight. And all I am going to do now, guys, is a very simple salt and pepper, very light salt and pepper. Little freshness from some lime juice. Get myself a knife. And if you've never heard of curry butter before, you saw it here on Cup of Joe. And you slather some of that butter Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. You can just tell that this is going to be so much wonderful flavor. Buttery, tender, juicy lobster bites with a hint of curry. Nice even layer. Doesn't have to be perfect. Once you kind of cover all that good lobster meat you're seeing there. From there, grease a simple dish. Just a touch of olive oil. Make sure it's properly nice greased below. And get these bad boys in here. They go in a preheated oven, 425 degrees, nice hot oven, and bakes for just about 8 to 10 minutes. Doesn't take long. And then you have perfect curry lobster tails. Sizzling goodness. Yeah, baby. As it's nice and hot, all that lovely curry butter goodness kind of just drizzle, keep that nice moist lobster meat. So as I told you at the beginning of the show, I was feeling a little fancy today. And when you're feeling fancy, Ocean Delight have you covered. Don't be intimidated because it's lobster tails. If you like lobster tails like me, easy curry butter. I was just reminded you could also do like a garlic butter. You could kind of do, you know, whatever you're feeling. Garlic and thyme butter, simple slather, and that lobster just kind of infused into the lobster meat. And you can get real fancy now. Show off a little bit. Let me see if I can do a fancy plating. So you really just want to get that up there. See if I can get him going. Nice. Plate him up there. Nice date night dish. You can show off a little bit, you know. Better than that, spoil. My curry butter lobster tails. Thanks to the folks at Ocean Delight for making it possible. Try the recipe on CURRIED.com. Recipe number 1. We're rolling out more recipes. I told you we're doing surf and turf when we come back.